Good morning. This is Noah construction. This is Noah construction. My number is 0244 640 548. Noah construction 0244 640 548. This is my handwriting. I'm always telling you, this is how. This place is Main Sabah, Dodua Road. See our handwriting. This is house. This is the wall. This is a small hall. The porch. This is the porch. You see the house, the front of house. I built this house for a lady called a gifty. And Professor Clue has seen my handwriting and he gave this building to me. I start this building from the footing to finishing up to this level. Now we start tile. You see, this is a tile. How the tiles work. This is the kitchen. So I'm doing the kitchen cabinet. After I finish everything, you see how it will look like. See, I'm creating, see the up here. I'm creating, what do you call it, poly tank. I have a space here which I'm creating poly tank at the back of the kitchen door. You see, outside. I'm always creating new things. You see, this is Noah construction. So this is the kitchen. You see, dining. Coming back to the small hall, to the corridor to master bedroom. You see, the master bedroom to lay the tiles under of the window. You can see the tiles.